Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about reading glasses. But before we jump in on that, just want to remind you, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, now's a good time. Down at the bottom of the video, there'll be a little button that says subscribe. You click on it, and then you click on it a second time, and then it has, the notifications that you can choose whichever one you want to ring the bell on for that. Our other thing, everybody, please thumbs up, help me out with YouTube's analytics. They're being really stickler about if you don't get a comment and you don't get a thumbs up, they count it as a bot right now, and they're not giving out watch time, and they're not counting it as a real person watching the video. Geez, that sounds like they're the bots that are out there doing that. Anyways, so I appreciate it if you go ahead and do those things to help the channel out. Now, reading glasses. Some of you are going to go, well, I don't need reading glasses. I can read just fine. I just got to move the paper a little bit farther out a little bit so I can read it. After a while, you're out here and you got to get a pair of what we call cheaters. You can get up anywhere. I picked these 3-pack up from Costco. Every now and then they'll have also the ones that have the blue tint filter on it for using on a computer. But right now, if I take these off, the printing around the screen up here is blurry and I can't make it out. Oh, it's crystal clear. However, I lean over and I look at the cans on the shelf here, which is twice the distance that the screen is from me, and it's a little blurry, and I can read that just fine. That's the way cheaters work. If you need to read stuff up close and it's blurry, you get a pair of cheaters. Now, what's also great about these is you can stack them. You put one on, you put another one about a 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch in front of it. Everything looks blurry until you bring your finger right up here. It's like, oh wow, man, I can see all the loops and swirls in my fingerprint. Oh, wait a minute, there's that little splinter, and you go after the splinter. That's one of the things we've learned with cheaters is, you have extra pairs so you can stack them for first aid purposes. Alrighty? So, before I take off, I'm going to leave a link to my other channel, Camp Patent Family Compound, right up here. I'm going to put a link up here to the Prepping for Beginners playlist and the Prepping in Private playlist down here, so you can share those with your friends, family, coworkers, and acquaintances so that they can get prepared and not come after your stuff.